We're down at the beach. Decided to have a little campfire.
I'm a little bit sick right now.
I'm sorry you're not feeling well. Oh no, you can't hardly see me. Get closer to the fire. Yeah, it's a nice night. Not too cold, but
Record it. Record the fire.
yeah, it's not rainy or anything.
Fire off.
Yeah, it's not rainy, so a little pop. Yeah. Just a little beach fire.
Do you have an apple?
I don't have an apple. I'm sorry. So unprepared. I actually was not going to go all the way down to the beach, but now that I'm down at the beach, I'm, glad I'm down here.
I want to cook by the fire.
Hey, Dad, can we leave in a few minutes?
It's getting a little late. We'll leave in a few. We got to put the fire out first. Yep, fire's really going now.
Yeah.
Having a good time.
Yeah. I made a big old pit.
Made a big old what?
Pit right beside me.
Oh, a little pit for yourself. Eugene, no playing in the fire. Everything in the fire stays in the fire.
That wasn't in
Just a pokey stick.
Okay, just don't stick your pokey stick on fire. It's for poking.
Oh, yeah. Very good.
I mean, it's in there now. Put it in there. Eugene, whatever. Yeah, we'll 100% put it out before we leave.
Yeah.
We'll be responsible. Like always. So much fun.
Yeah.
Looks like the wind's blowing toward the ocean. That's interesting. One found a piece of wood and we decided to add it to the fire. We're going to stay for a little longer.